say. But now I'm going far away. Oh yeah, oh I'm moving out, gone away. Don't call me honey, I'll be gone to stay. Just cheat on me, baby, I'm gone away. Oh yeah. Well, don't call me honey, I'll spend my place in there.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Sitting here in my problem. What am I gonna do now? Am I gonna make it? Some way, somehow. Well, maybe I'm not supposed to know. Maybe I'm supposed to cry. If nobody ever knows the way I feel, that's alright, that's okay. Cause I'm gonna make my world a better place. Gonna keep that smile on my face. Yeah, I'm gonna teach myself how to understand. Gonna make myself a better man. Climbing out the window, climbing up the wall. Is anybody gonna save me? Or are they gonna let me fall? Well, I don't really wanna know. I'm gonna hold on the best I can. And if I fall down, I'm gonna get back up, and it'll be alright, it'll be okay. Cause I'm gonna make my world a better place. Gonna keep that smile on my face. Lord, I'm gonna teach myself how to understand. Gonna make myself a better man. I'm gonna hold on the best I can. And if I fall down, I'm gonna get back up. It'll be alright, it'll be okay. Well, I'm gonna make my world a better place. Gonna keep that smile on my face. Gonna teach myself how to understand. Gonna make myself a better man. Yeah, I'm gonna make my world a better place. Well, I'm gonna keep a smile on my face. Yeah, I'm gonna teach myself how to understand. Gonna make myself a better man. Make my world. I'm gonna make my world. You know I'm gonna make my world. Yeah, it's gonna be alright. Gonna make my world. Well, now, maybe I'm not supposed to know. Maybe I'm supposed to cry. And if nobody ever knows the way I feel, that's alright, that's okay. Cause I'm gonna make my world a better place. Yes, I'm gonna keep that smile on my face. Gonna teach myself how to understand. Gonna make myself a better man. Yeah, I'm gonna make my world a better place.